Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I want to highlight a few things, about 3 things that would make your frontal install to look very good, like natural. Can you see how this hairline looks? Yes, I want to show you those secrets in particular. So the first thing you want to be doing correctly is make sure that you hot comb the hair, like let it look the way that you want it to look before you start gluing. Okay, so also another thing that you need to be doing is your detailing. If you go to any of my videos, you will see where I was doing detailing. Make sure you don't skip that step. This is not me doing initial plucking. Like after you pluck, you need to do proper detailing, okay? Then the last thing that I'm going to be sharing with you guys in this video is to apply your melting spray. Yes. So I'm melting the lace and I'm double melting. So I'm going to, you see where I'm applying the melting spray, I'm going to apply it like this, blow dry it, apply it again, and blow dry it. Make sure that it's not sticky before I will now tie my elastic band and then blow dry. Actually, this is not even the last tip. There is another tip, which is like the blow drying. Blow drying is one secret that people don't really talk about, but I want to just share it in this video. This video is a very short video, but I want it to be very detailed so that you can open your eyes to things that you're not aware of. So the next thing, just like I said, after you apply your melting spray to blow drying on its own is a technique that can change your frontal installation game. So in the next tip, which is the last one, right, is your blow drying. Make sure you dry your frontal. Make sure you blow it dry. It helps it to last longer. It helps it to look smoother, cleaner, and all of that. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys in another video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It helps me to keep posting because I get to see that, okay, these videos are useful to you guys. Thank you. Bye, everyone.